Do we count him? Possibly. This rod has got just a little bit too much ass behind it. That's alright. You don't catch every fish that bites. Especially that warhorse of a brown. That's a warhorse, boys. Right there. Okay, play him easy. Play him easy, not a lot of pressure. Real easy, not a lot of pressure. A little bit of pressure. A little bit of pressure. A little bit of pressure. Don't put too much pressure. That's a stud. Just a little bit of back pressure. Right here in the danger zone. Don't do that, don't do that, don't dig, don't dig, don't dig. Come here now, man. Oh God, he sees me. Just getting with it. Break this fish off. Break this fish off. Okay, we're still in the game, baby. We're still in the game. We're getting tired. Here it is. Final quarter. Can he do it? Can he get his PB brown? And there it is. Yo, big brown. Oh, look at the size of this brown. Too bad I ain't got a good camera, man. Huge. Cicada eater, boys. Let's let her loose. Set this big one back on her way. Whenever you feel like it, big girl, take off. You ain't kicking off real strong. Shit, tree.